Today we have a video from Police Ride-Alongs, and the title of the video is The Traffic Stop That Didn't Need to Escalate.
On November 13th in St. Petersburg, Florida, an officer was driving an unmarked police truck on 18th Avenue when a woman in a Chevy Volt allegedly used the painted median to pass him. Because of that, he conducted a traffic stop for reckless driving.
How you doing? Any reason you passed me?
What?
Any reason you passed me?
Passed you well.
About 200 feet ago.
Oh,
What's that?
probably was going slow.
Nope, you got your license on you?
Nope.
You can put the car in park. Put the car in park, please. Okay. Step out of the car.
Oh boy.
For what?
Because you're not listening to simple directions. So step out of the car for me. Take a 16, I'll take another. To the front of my car, please.
Photo one close by to 18.
Is that your driver's license?
Sir, do it look like my
13
driver's
Charlie,
license? What you gotta do?
Okay. Stand in the front of my truck.
I'm standing right here.
The front of my truck.
I'm right in the front of your car, sir. What you want me to sit on it?
I'm pointing towards the front of my car. It's pretty
I'm
simple
standing
instruction.
in the front of your car.
Okay. Address on your license up to date?
Yes.
Vehicle registered to you?
Yes.
Insurance up to date? Is that a yes or no?
Sir, I don't want to talk. Can you do what you need to do as an officer?
Okay.
While the officer started to write up the citation, another would arrive to stand with the driver.
Just stand with her. She's got an attitude button.
Okay. Hey, I get to keep you company, I guess.
Thanks.
You okay?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
He just being an asshole, but
What do you mean?
that's how he talking. It don't take all that to talk to people, but if you want to be nasty to me, I'll be nasty to you. It's fine. You can get whatever energy you give me. Want to talk to me like a normal human being? I'll talk to you like one. You want to talk to me like
Wait. What nasty attitude did he get? Maybe I'm missing something. Do you see something different than I see? Maybe you hear something different than I hear. What nasty attitude did the officer give? License, registration, he asked the lady, can you put the vehicle in park? She's the one that ignored him. He asked a second time. And it seems like this cop is similar to me. Because if I was a cop, I'm going to tell you 2 times. If I got to tell you a 3rd time, you're not going to like it. We're not even going to get to that. See? So the cop, he told you once. Maybe you didn't hear him. Okay. All right. We're going to let that one slide because you're looking for your ID. Okay. Get in your bag. All right. We're going to let that slide. But I asked you again and you purposely ignored me. Well, okay. Well, get out the car then. Get out the car. Now we're going to take it somewhere else. Get out the car. I don't think the officer did anything wrong so far. I don't think he did anything wrong.
You and I are doing right now.
Yeah, but that ain't how he was talking. So he got what he gave me.
But just like I said, just don't hold him against me.
Yeah, I ain't got no problem.
I'll treat you
Like
well.
I said, my driver's license, so you can give me my ticket and send me on my way. But
You say what
instead,
he-
he want to turn the car off, be extra, get out, stand over here.
Did
I'm
he-
afraid. Do you have a weapon?
Did he
Sir.
say what he pulled you over for or no?
No, he didn't say nothing.
But,
He didn't say nothing at all.
I was just curious because, I mean, we
Oh,
don't.
well, he said I passed him. He did say that.
but we don't
He said I
we don't-
passed him.
We don't have to. All we have to do is tell you that if we give you a ticket or when we release you. I mean, that is actually
Extra, 'cause he
legal.
don't got nothing else to do apparently. But I ain't worried. Like I said, write my ticket and let me go.
What's your name?
Tiana.
What's Tiana? How are you?
Good. What's your name?
The last name's Lazari. First name's Nick.
Nice to meet you, Nick.
So just take a breath. I promise I won't hurt you.
I ain't worried about being hurt. I'm protected by the Most High. Y'all can't hurt me.
You and me too.
Amen. That's why I don't
You
feel
and
no
me too.
man on this earth.
There's only
One
one.
person to feel. You hear me?
I only kneel to one
And I
person.
don't feel him because he don't do me no wrong.
You gotta tell him I kneel to no man. I
You
only
hear
kneel to
me?
one person.
One person. And I don't feel him because he ain't never did me wrong, even when I ain't like it. I ain't scared by nothing.
Just remember, when people say, you hear people say, God's just testing me. That ain't God testing you. That's the devil who's the master of
That's you
disguise.
failing. That's you ain't lying.
That's the devil who's the master of disguise.
He sure give you the door.
Trying to weaken your faith.
He sure give you the door. That be all them problems you set yourself up for. You put yourself in those situations and then blame it on God. No, he gave you the way out. All you have to do is sit still and be quiet.
If you want, you can face this way. I know the sun's in your eyes.
Yeah.
I can see you like
Sit
because the
still and
sun's
be
in your eyes.
quiet.
Well, I ain't here to be your enemy. I'm just here to come here and go home.
I ain't lying, me too. I guess he wanted me to stand in the middle of the street because I had my pajamas on. That's fine. But that was necessary.
At least you don't have a bonnet on. If you had a bonnet on,
That was necessary. I took it off. Not that he gave it.
if you had a bonnet on, I'd have had to ask you why you had on outside the house. I'm like, you know the rules.
Right.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna ask why you got pajamas on outside the house. I mean, what? Come on, man.
Right.
You know the rules.
Well, I was picking up the kid.
This officer is pretty decent, though. You know, they playing good cop, bad cop. Well, in her mind, I would say she thinks the other cop is a bad cop, but the other cop was pretty decent too. You know, it's just that you didn't follow instructions. Simple instructions.
So, you have to put it on when you visit the school.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Thank you. Have a great day, Nick.
All right, so I need a signature here.
Give me whatever you need to
Stop talking, let me
do. You
explain
don't tell me
it.
to stop talking. It's
Okay.
a free country.
So I need a signature here. It's not an admission to guilt, just promise to appear on your mandatory
Just
court
give me what you need
appearance.
to give me. Thank you.
So I'm citing you for reckless driving.
You can just give me the ticket and go.
So
Thank you. Just give me
don't
the ticket.
snatch anything. You're gonna go to jail. You're gonna go to jail.
He's so
I don't.
He
Give me
doesn't.
the ticket.
He doesn't.
See that?
He
Behind your back. Behind
He
your back.
doesn't.
No, I'm
He
done.
didn't.
He did, but it's all right.
I
It's
really
on
didn't.
camera.
He didn't.
I was supposed to get off in 10 minutes. You think I want to take you to jail?
We have nothing better to do. It's
Just need you to bring it down.
You see what just went on? I'm telling him just give me the ticket and let me go. He
But
want to
he's gotta
stand in
have
my
you
face
si-
longer
he has to have
until
you
he
There's a
have a reason
definition
to
of an
arrest
attitude.
me.
He has to have you
You
sign
the
it.
definition of attitude problem.
He has to have you sign it because it's
That's
mandatory
fine. He
court
could have
date.
just gave it to me and let me sign it. But he wanted to wait until he had a reason to arrest me.
Watch.
fine, 'cause they're throwing
In
out
fairness, we don't let go of our tickets or ticket books when people sign. Like when we had ticket books, we didn't let them go.
Yep.
I mean, fairness there,
My
but
car's not in park.
Yep, it's off though. Come on. Do you have anything on you at all? Anything in your car at all?
You can search my vehicle. You don't have to.
Face that way. It's going to get searched because it's search incident to arrest.
He would, in fact, search your car. However, it's not clear in this case if incident to arrest was the most applicable reason to search it, since that requires an officer to be searching for evidence of the crime, and with the charges being reckless driving and resisting, it's hard to argue there'd be any evidence of that to be found in the car. However, when a car is going to be towed, an officer does have the right to search it for liability reasons, and given how he checked the car, especially this back hatch area, it seems like that was the primary purpose for the search.
Do you have anything tucked anywhere? You're going to get ran through an x-ray machine at Pinellas County Jail.
let me see if Parsley's 10-8 or not.
What's that?
Let me see if Parsley's 10-8 to search.
Yeah, we can do it at the station. Come back here for me.
Can I call somebody to
Nope.
pick up my son?
Step inside.
Mr. Nick, can I call somebody to pick up my child?
Not
He
right
need to
now.
be picked
You can
up.
step
by
inside the
5:30.
Sit down, we'll work it out. We'll work that out. We know you got kids need picked up.
Everything go around, come around.
Remember that. Jesus.
What you do? Whip around you driving crazy?
Yeah, you whipped around me.
Shut off.
Yeah, she whipped around me driving crazy. And then I asked her to shut the car, or I asked her to put the car in park. And she goes, no. Like, put it in park. Ignored me. So I reached in, hit the power button, and I told her to get out. Which she didn't want to get out.
All right.
Like, Jesus.
She was charged with resisting without violence and issued a ticket for reckless driving. About 45 days later, the state attorney concluded the resisting charge did not warrant prosecution. And as for the reckless driving citation, she's currently contesting that in traffic court.
So pretty much the prosecution talking about the arrest wasn't valid. Pretty much, that's what he tried. Yeah, because you arrested her for, you know, but I mean, she could have just She could have just listened to the man talk for a minute and signed the paper instead of just grabbing at it. And it's just, I mean, yeah, she had an attitude from the jump for no reason. I really don't understand. Like, it's like you mad at the cop for you doing something wrong. You passed me on the double yellows. You got a permit, right? You got to get a permit before you get a driver's license so you know what the double yellows mean. How the hell you can't just go around me? Like, what the hell? Crazy, man. That was unnecessary. And then at the end, oh, can you get somebody to pick up my kid and this? And well, why are you conducting yourself like that if you know you got somewhere to be? To go pick up your kid? Why would you even be conducting yourself like that? I guess we'll never know, because I don't understand it. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.